Hello everyone, my name is Fernando Orea. I'm co-founder of the Lucky Dragon project, and in this video I'm going to show you how the installation process works, how to set up properly MT4, and how to start up trading with the Lucky Dragon. And to start the installation process, all you need to do is open up the installer file that we will provide you. And this is gonna show up a small Windows prompt, and all you need to do is click on yes. And once you do that, you should have the installer window popping up. This is a general recommendation section, so just so you know, you shouldn't have any other open applications, so you don't have to reboot the computer once the installation process is finished. And once you read this, go ahead and click on next, which is gonna take you to the license agreement. Please go through the license agreement, and if you agree with it, all you need to do is hit the I agree button. And it's going to take you to the window where you can see all the MT4 instances installed on your computer. If you want to install Lucky Dragon on all of them, you need to right click on here and click on check all. And if you want to only install it on one specific MT4 instance, all you need to do is check the one that you like, which in my case is Demo4, and click the install button. After the installation process has finished, you will see a small text right here saying completed, and that means that you can hit on next, and the installation process has successfully finished. So you click on this button and open up your MT4. And from here, if you open the drop down here of Expert Advisors, you will now see that Lucky Dragon has been installed into your MT4 instance. From here, we need to do a small setup process on MT4. For this, you need to go to Tools, then you need to go to Options, and from here, please go to the Expert Advisors tab. Here you will need to tick the very first one that says Allow Automatic Trading, and the last one that says Allow Web Requests for Listed URLs. This is for validating your license. At first, you will see this field empty, so to add the URL that you need to authorize, you only need to double click here and paste the URL provided on the user manual. Once you do that, only click on Enter, and you should be good to go. So only click on OK. And the first thing that you want to make sure is that the auto trading button is this way. You might have it this way, and if that's the case, all you need to do is click on it, and you should see a small play button right here, and you should see the button being marked up. From now, you can start up Lucky Dragon. For that, all you need to do is double click where it says Lucky Dragon, small dash, and your license type. And this will pop up with all the settings for Lucky Dragon. We're going to have a dedicated video walking you through all the settings. So for now, we're going to just use the default settings. For that, all you need to do is click OK, and you will receive a small message saying that Lucky Dragon is flying. That means that you are now successfully running Lucky Dragon. If you want to use both Mode 1 and Mode 2, you need to open up a second chart on the GBP CAD currency pair. And you can just do some minor adjustments here so it looks better. And you need to pretty much just repeat the same process, which is double click on where it says Lucky Dragon. This is going to show up the settings again. And the first thing that you need to do, and be very, very careful with this, is select a new magic number. You need to have every Lucky Dragon instance with a different magic number on it. And here, you can just place, for example, Mode 2, because on the previous one, I clicked on Mode 1. And I'm going to leave the rest of the settings on default. You click OK, and you will select, or well, you will see actually the same message saying that the Lucky Dragon is flying, and that means that everything is running properly. Please make sure that you're running the GBP CAD currency pair and with a time frame of the 1 hour or less. That means it can be anywhere from the 1 minute to the 1 hour. If you try to open it up on the 4 hour or a larger time frame, it's not going to start up. So it needs to be deployed on any time frame between M1 and H1, which you can see right here. From here, as the market is closed right now, you're not going to see the dashboard, but once everything is set up properly and running properly, you will see a dashboard just like this, which will have some general information, such as the magic number, the leverage of your account, the server that you're connected to, the mode that you're running, the risk settings that you choose. So basically, once you see this, it's meaning that the Lucky Dragon is ready to trade, and you just need to wait for the positions to go in. And one final checkup that you need to do is make sure that on the top right corner, you see a smiling face. That means that everything is set up properly and Lucky Dragon is allowed to trade.